Hi, I'm Ted.
Okay, Ted. What in the bloody hell is this?
This is an escargot souffle with a side of truffled scallops and braised veal shanks. You can't even eat it. It's just for looking.
Ted, what in the bloody blaze of Madagascar is this shit? How good is that, you donuts? I came here to eat. Are you kidding me? What is the fucking point of this? I want you to cook crispy salmon. Where's the lamb sauce?
Yum. Eating my weight in kumquats was my dream job. The dream has become a nightmare.
Why does he have to eat all the kumquats again?
Because it's the only thing that brings me joy anymore.
Huh. Hi, I'm Ted.
Sneak. They call me that on the accounts of my mustache looking like a serpenty old snake.
Looks more like a sea cucumber if you ask me. Ow! Oh, who's asking me? Nobody. That's who.
Snake.
Snake. Of course it's a snake.
Sneak.
Why did Hans have to pick today to die?
Actually, from the look of the decay, I think he's been dead for a while. Probably years. Oh, the irony!
And Ted, you maniac, show Rob how you work that palm tree.
Anything to strengthen the core.
We could do this all night.
Sorry, everybody.
It happens.
What are you gonna do?
But I am still sad. We're lemurs. I'm surprised we've lived this long.
True that, Ted. So true that.
I like to move it, move it.
I told her I didn't sign up for this kickboxing class to make friends. I'm here to channel my raging heartbeat.
What if we got some parachutes and just jumped?
I'm not loving that idea.
Gonna have to agree with Maurice on that one.
I need your love, I need your time. When everything's wrong, you make it right.
But lo, I am the mighty wind breaking beneath your wings to lift you skyward. Feel the power of the breaking wind. Feel it! Oh, hey!
I felt it, Ted. I felt the power of your breaking wind.
Sugar Bottoms is... Colonel Theodore Sugar Bottoms. Oh, no, thanks. I'm on a cleanse. Don't mind if I do. Be free, little snail. Run like the wind.
Right. Colonel.
Hit him with your magic booty, King J. Oh, I hate being lost. I just hate it. Oh, lemur up, Ted. You are Theodore Panskin, assistant captain of the Ringtail Guard. Maybe with enough money, my dream vacation is finally gonna become a reality.
That sounds great. Where are we going, Ted?
Oh, are you coming? All right. That was the day me and Pa buried old Skeeter under the sweet Kentucky bluegrass. And from that loyal hound dog's grave grew a weeping willow. Logic police here. Woo, woo. I've got the place surrounded.
We don't need no stinking logic, Ted.
Are you sure we should be following a group of strange lemur ladies into the jungle?
Let me think about that. Yeah, of course we should. Chop, chop, Ted. Move that cushion.
Oh, my stars, what is it? It sounds so wonderful, I think I'm gonna joy tinkle. Oh, there goes a dribbler. Someone's gentleman caller sure is calling a lot lately. Is there a monster in there? I hope not.
Look at my nails.
Well, they do look fabulous.
Dotting all the I's with cute little hearts.
Oh, I've got the perfect glitter pen. has anyone seen Dorothy?
Dorothy? Who's Dorothy?
Hello, my wife.
You don't have a wife, Ted. You've been Madagascar's most eligible bachelor for years.
What? Do you mean to tell me Dorothy was a figment of my imagination? Like Snake? Does this mean I'm not really married?
Oh, Ted, don't pay any attention to them. Of course I'm real.
You are? Oh, well, okay then. Are you of the manticore I hunt